Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our channel Botany with YouTube. Today I am here a PhD scholar. I am going to present a topic shapes of bacteria. Classification based on shape. Bacteria is classified into three major categories based on their shapes. For example, cocci, bacilli, spiral. You can see here in diagram. Some cells vary, which are pleomorphic. If you are new in our channel, then please try to subscribe our channel Botany with YouTube. You can see here the logo of our channel. Reproduction. All types of bacteria have same way of reproduction. For example, binary fission method. In this process, the bacteria which is a single cell have ability to divide into two identical daughter cells. Binary fission begin when the DNA of bacterium divide into two replicates. For example, in just 7 hours, one bacteria can generate 20,97,152 bacteria. You can see here the method of division, how the cell of bacteria is divided by 1 to 2 replicas in binary fission method. Cocci or coccus. It is spiral, oval shape and generally round shape. Size. Average size of cocci is about 0.1 to 1.0 micrometer in diameter. Occurrence. Normally it occurs in cattle, sheep and in intestinal tract of rabbits. Disease cause by this type as pneumonia and food poisoning, etc. Arrangement of cocci. These arrangements are based on their plans of divisions. For example, Diplococcus in pair form, tetrad. It exists in 4 cocci in square. Sarcina, 8 cocci in cube. Streptococcus. It's present in chain-like structure. Staphylococcus. It is present in cluster or irregular or in random shape. Diplococci, you can see here in diagram. Division occur in one plane. Cocci are arranged in pairs. For example, Streptococcus pneumonia. Tetrads. Division occur in two planes arranged in a square of 4 cocci. You can see here in diagram. Sarcina. Division occur in 3 planes arranged in the cube of 8 cocci. You can see here in diagram. Streptococcus. You can see here in diagram the structure of Streptococcus. Division occur in one plane but cocci form long chain of cells. Staphylococcus. The structure of Staphylococcus are present in diagram. Duveen occur in different planes. Cocci form are grape-like clusters formed by irregular and random cells division. If you are new in our channel, then please subscribe and share our channel with your other friends, colleagues and other researchers. Bacilli, you can see here in diagram, it is rod-shaped bacteria, single cell of bacteria. Its size is 0.1 to 1.0 micrometer and its width is about 120 to 4.0 micrometer long. Occurrence normally occur in environment, for example soil, air, dust, debris, etc. Disease caused by this bacteria are cause infection in ear infection. Arrangement of bacilli. These arrangement based on their plane of division. Diplobacillus in pair form, you can see in diagram as well. Streptobacillus chain form. Coccobacillus coccus like. Palisades appear like chain. Single bacilli. Most bacilli appear as single rod-like structure. Diplobacillus. These are appear in pair form. Streptobacillus arranged in chain. Division occur in one plane but form a chain-like structure. You can see here in diagram. Coccobacillus, it is short in structure, ovate-like, and you can see here in diagram. Palisades. Bacilli bend at the point during cell division. Arrangement resembles as picket fence and angular pattern that look like Chinese letter. You can see here in diagram. Spiral. It is also a type of bacterial shape. It is just like a spring or curve shape or a comma shape, and their size is 0.5 to 1.0 micrometer in diameter. Occurrence, it occurs normally in human stomach. Disease caused by this bacteria are Lyme disease. Arrangement of spiral. It forms comma shape, curve shape, helical, rod-like. You can see here in diagram as well. Like our channel, like our video, and try to share with your other friends, colleagues and researchers. Vibrio, it's a comma shaped bacteria with less than one complete turn or twisted in this cell. You can see here in diagram the structure of this shape of bacteria. Spirilla, it is rigid spiral structure with many turns. You can see here in diagram. spirochetes. It's a helical shape and flexible bodies. Movement. They move by means of axial filaments which look like flagella, contain beneath a flexible external sheet. You can see here in diagram the structure of spirochetes bacteria. Other shapes and arrangement of bacteria. Beside these shapes, some other shapes and arrangement of bacteria exist. For example, filamentous bacteria, star-shaped bacteria, and rectangular bacteria. Filamentous bacteria, you can see here in diagram, very long, thin filaments shaped bacteria. Some of them form branching filaments resulting in a network of filaments called mycelium. You can see here star-shaped bacteria, the diagram of star-shaped bacteria, and rectangular bacteria. Paleomorphic bacteria do not have any characteristic shape unlike all others. They can change their shape. It is observed that they have different shapes. You can see in diagram. For example, Mycoplasma pneumonia. Thank you so much for your attention, for your concentration. Thanks to visit our channel. Good luck to all of you. Allah Hafiz.